Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to enable DirectX 12 in Apex Legends to help improve performance and graphics on PC. Before we start, make sure you're playing on Apex Legends on PC and that your graphics drivers are up to date. Do note though that DirectX 12 may not be supported on all systems. So make sure to do your research and check if your system can run on DirectX 12. What you have to do now is, if you have your game already opened, exit to desktop and open up Steam. Once you're in Steam, head to the library and find Apex Legends. Once you find Apex Legends, right click and click on Properties. Here in Properties under the Launch Options tab, let me just delete this real quick. Here, you have to type in this command. -EAC underscore launcher underscore settings, and then with no spaces, type capital S on settings, dx12.json. After that, click on the X, because it will apply automatically, and launch your game. The game should now run using DX12. If you experience issues, you can remove the launch option to switch back to DirectX 11. And that is how to enable DirectX 12 in Apex Legends.